In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up customer accounts in Squarespace step by step so you can make it easier for customers to log in, view their orders, and have a smoother shopping experience on your site. If you run an online store, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference for your customers and your business. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace walkthroughs just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard using the account connected to your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and scroll all the way down. At the bottom, click Settings. This is where you'll find the main site and store options for your Squarespace website. After that, look for Selling, or in some versions of Squarespace, you may see Commerce. Click on that section to open your sales settings. From there, select Customer Accounts. This is the area where you can control whether your shoppers are able to create and use accounts on your site. Once you're on the Customer Accounts page, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply switch the Customer Accounts toggle to the ON position. As soon as you do that, Customer Accounts will be enabled for your store. That means your customers can sign in, manage their information, and keep track of their purchases more easily. If you ever want to turn this off later, you can come back to the same spot and switch it off again. But for now, once that toggle is on, you're all set. That's how you set up customer accounts in Squarespace in just a few quick steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because I post more simple website and e-commerce tutorials all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.